How to properly use unit testing's assertRaises with NoneType objects. I did a simple test case, and I am expecting test to pass, but I am getting exception. I thought that assertRaises will pass since type error exception will be raised.
If you are using Python 2.7 or above, you can use the ability of assertRaises to be used as a context manager and do. If you are using Python 2.6, another way beside the one given until now is to use unittest2, which is a backport of unittest's new features to Python 2.6, and you can make it work using the code above. NB, I'm a big fan of the new feature, skiptest, test discovery, etc., of unittest, so I intend to use unittest2 as much as I can. I advise to do the same, because there is a lot more than what unittest come with in Python 2.6 or lower.
The problem is the type error gets raised before assertRaises gets called, since the arguments to assertRaises need to be evaluated before the method can be called. You need to pass a lambda expression like
The usual way to use assertRaises is to call a function to test that the function call test_function args raises a type error. The problem with self.testlistKnown column 1 is that Python evaluates the expression immediately, before the assertRaises method is called. The whole reason why test_function and args is passed as separate arguments to self.assertRaises is to allow assertRaises to call test_function args from within a try ... except block, allowing assertRaises to catch the exception. Since you've defined self.testlistKnown equals none, and you need a function to call, you might use operator.itemGetter like this. Since is a long-winded way of saying self.testlistKnown column 1, but which separates the function, operator.itemGetter, from the arguments.
A complete snippet would look like the following. It expands Muad's answer to asserting on the errors message, or generally the string representation of its arguments, which may be useful.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.